Okay folks, Wednesday afternoon, about 3:45 or 3:50, somewhere in that region. And I mentioned earlier that there was a bit of wind. There was a breeze this morning that I thought wasn't going to be too big a deal, but let's take a look. Look at my tent, kind of jellyfishing. It's doing the whole filling up with wind. It's like a windsock. Oh shit! Whoa shit! Oh, it's blown the top off of my battery box. Stuff's clanking and clanging and wow. That's yes, I did a video earlier. I don't know if I haven't released it yet, but about this battery box. About, is it 12 volts? Is it 14 volts? Is it 15? The charge controller's all over the place. I'm not sure it's right. 13.2 it still settles at for a few seconds, and then it goes again. And there you go. 13.8, 14, 44, 48, 16. Did I say 16 for a second there? I think it went to 16. Had the lid over, but it blew away a minute ago. But look at this. I've been trying to charge my phone all day, folks. It's just not really working. I've had low charge rate from stuff, and here's my panels sat almost perfectly in the sun. Then it turn around a little bit. I've been nursemading it all day, trying to keep the direction and the angles. But no, it's charging. I'm getting like, I don't know, 6 or 7 percentage points per hour. No, Tina, no backing of the ladies. Shush. Quiet. Just some people walking past, folks. Tina, no. Quiet. But look at the 10. Tina, quiet. The wind is hitting it kind of endways on here, folks. The wind's going almost directly south, from the south. Coming straight up and clobbering us. I've got these unfastened because the vent isn't as easily accessible to the air. But there's no way to fasten this vent down and close it off. There's a vent. Yeah. It is as it is. I don't know. A little bit concerning. I'm laughing, but it's not funny really. I'm a bit worried. I don't think the wind's meant to be particularly strong today. When I looked yesterday, there was nothing of note in terms of wind. But as you can see, it's quite notable and noticeable. Oh, look at the trees! Look at that! These are the trees that protect us when this stuff comes from the east. When it's from the east, these trees protect us. And to an extent, from the north or northeast, over there. But when it's coming directly from the south, or from the west, today it's from the south, we're a bit more open to it. As you can see here, it's, yeah. Don't know, guys. What do you do? What do you say? The ropes that are in are all at full full strength, fully taut. I could deploy a few more guy lines, but I've got heavy furniture inside the tent. You know, armchairs, mattresses, cupboards, chests of drawers. Tell television sense. Maybe, possibly. I don't know. I think we're okay, but I'm not 100% sure. Here we go, guys. Here is it. Here is it. Gotta have your traditions. You gotta have your traditions, and there's mine. There's my lady. That's my lady. Did you see her yesterday sitting on her throne? She stole my chair. Okay, folks. With the wind raging, I'll leave it with you. Later. There's a Tina girl. It's tradition. For the reason I'm back again, folks, it is just after 4:30, and we have been battered by some horrendous winds. Tina girl, come on inside. Come on back. Come on. Oh. Try not to include you. The sideways motion, guys. Whoa! Makes yesterday's look tame. We're sat here being hammered. We're getting some real movement. Being hammered. Although it's quieter since I turned the phone on, because obviously. Maybe that's the secret. When I want the wind to go away, just start the camera. There we go, guys. I don't know how well that's... Look at this door blowing in, and the wind's not even coming from that side. That's the weird part, the wind's not from that direction. And there's my new shelving unit. Maybe. Seems stable enough at the minute, but only on that spot. My empty water containers blowing around. I've tried piling them up, I've tried tying them down, I've tried all sorts, but they're still going to blow. Maybe I'll fill them up tomorrow. Do another trip. Yeah. Look at this blowing in behind my head. I've got 2 feet of clearance behind me, except not. Whoa, what was that? Jesus. And we've got this until midnight or 2 in the morning or something. Look at this coming in. The door leaning right in. What the fuck? Pardon my French, but Jesus Christ. Whoa! I'm gonna have to go and check the guy lines on that side. Do you think they're holding? Oh! Jesus Christ! That's... I don't feel safe to sit there. And I'm in an armchair built like a tank. Jesus H. What's the wind direction? It's the south, no? The wind was coming from over there before. Now it's clearly coming in from the west. Jesus. Give me a second, folks. I'm going to have to go out and check. I'm going to have to go out and check the guy lines on the tent pegs. Come with me, folks. Tina, stay. Jesus Christ. I deliberately let these go because these are the vents. I didn't want too much wind coming through. These lines are holding. I got one here that I could put in maybe, that I haven't done yet. These are well in. That's a little loose. I can tighten that up in a second. Okay folks, a quick explanation. These are not good tent pegs, and when we put them in and when they hit rock, they're all bent. They're all bent. Whoa. Nope. Not good, folks. This one is this line's not doing anything. You have to go and get another tent peg. Tina, no. I said no. Tina, no. I thought you were inside. Oh, this one's come off. Where's it? Oh, here. Okay. No. That's not going to be good footage. One of those lines is not doing anything near the door. That's an issue with the wind coming. The wind's decided now to come sideways from here. Move right around. Tina, girl, come here. See my girl. Come on, this way. Yes, yes. Treats. Oh, treats. I gotta be honest, guys. This is a bit worrying. Coming up for 1700 hours, 5 in the afternoon, and if you just see how much the walls here have been pushed in. I've just been out and attached extra guy ropes and re-secured one or two of these, but just look how much the wind's turned around. It was from down there most of the day. It's now coming in directly from the side here. We've been swiped sideways on, and the carbon fibre poles, well, they're doing a miraculous job in some ways. Like I said, the guy ropes have tightened, but there's still a lot of movement. And look at the way this fabric is billowing inwards. I'm worried. It's a new tent. I'm not sure it's built for this. I don't know. Look at it. Look how it's bending inwards, bowing inwards. I can hear all my water bottles outside as well. Jeez. Whoa, and apparently the wind's going to be like this until midnight or beyond. Not good. Not good at all, folks. I don't know, I mean, we've still got a couple of hours of daylight. The wind's like this for the next 7 hours. What do I do for tent splits in half? Don't know. I've got a couple of little tabs. But the tent's 7 meters long. I don't know, folks. Maybe updates later, maybe not. I don't know. Join me on Sundays for TrampCast. It's the weekly look at the successes, the failures, the happenings in my life as a tramp, a homeless guy, a hobo, living in Torrevieja in Spain. It's at 5 o'clock Spanish time, Central European time. It's at 4 p.m. GMT, UK time. And 10 a.m. US Central time. Love to see you there, folks. Okay. Delta Mike, out.